much richer seem, a reservoir long buried of our own self-confidence as a nation. This march today, and it's a hell of a march, but it's also more than just a march, it's a milestone on the path to freedom. We're a nation long belittled that started to believe. The clouds of inferiority are evaporating from the skies of our ambition. Wales is waking, rising, rejecting second-class status to claim our place as an equal among the nations of Europe and the rest of the world. When this great story of our nation's independence will be written in the very near future, it is this generation that will be able to say, we got there because we marched, united in our goal, ignited in our passion, all under one banner, in our hearts and in our minds, already free.